Hello everybody and welcome to another ComputerCraft series episode thing. And in this one we're not going to be doing like anything with the quarry. Not the quarry, the smeltery. I was going to do that, but the timings I couldn't get quite right, so I'm just going to do the basic code that you need to do this. So this code is probably far from perfect. There's probably a lot of mistakes, but it works. So if you need something that just works and doesn't have to be that fancy, then this will work for you. So what this code will do, it will act sort of like a vending machine, I guess you would kind of say, that you put in the number of times you want it to do it, the action, and it will do it. So yeah, I can show you a quick example. If we do this program, it will say how many blocks to move, and let's do 7. There we go. And our turtle moved 7 blocks and stopped. And yeah, that's basically all there is to it. So besides just making a turtle move or doing something like that, you can make, for example, the smeltery for the pouring thing, you can make it pour out only for 10 ingots worth, and do something like that. So let's get into it. I'm going to be just using this dispenser with some coal blocks in it for this example, but you can do it however you want. I won't be paste binning this code because it is very simple. I would rate this like sort of beginning level a little bit. Anyway, let's get into it. So let's just do edit. What do we want to call it? Num. There we go. Now you want to do time equals read. That will get what you want. Times equals toNumber, and then time. And that will just set whatever you put in time to the number. And up above that, we want to do write whatever you want. Let's say how many items, and just do a colon and a space and a parentheses. Now down here you want to do for I equals 0, comma, times minus 1. This is something you need, otherwise it will give you one more than you actually wanted. I'm not sure why it does that, probably something in the code. I just found this way to work around it. So you want to do -1 and then do. And then you want to do your code, so I'm going to do rs.set output. Oops, that's my parentheses. Left, comma, and true. Then we want to sleep. Let's do 0.25 of a second, so 1/4 of a second, and rs.set output left true, or false. There we are. And sleep for another 0.25. I'm just going to add that in to make sure it doesn't run too fast, because it may cause it to skip something. Do it like that. So now if we exit it and we run num, it should put how many items, and let's say 6. There we go. I'll get rid of these so you can see it again. Let's run it again. Let num, or whoops, num like that, and let's do 10. And there we go. So I'll quickly show you one other thing you can do to it. We can use an if statement in here. This is a little bit more advanced, but it can be used just in case. So you want to do if times, or time, I think, is greater than, let's say 256, in case you're doing like items worth, then we'll print too many items. That, and then a simple else. And let me just organize this so it looks a bit neater. And put an end on there. There we go. Save. Exit. And let's do 257. And something went wrong. Time equals that else maybe times. Yep, there we go. So, too many items. And if we run it again, num, and we put 256, it should dispense all them. And I don't think you even have enough in there. Let's just chuck some in. And this, of course, will take a while. But it should eventually get there. Anyhow, we'll just terminate that. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. You can set that number to however many you want. So like a stack at a time or half a stack at a time. Depends how many, and you can do it for anything. I was going to do this sort of like a refrigerator, but the door kind of bugged out. Not altogether sure why that happened. If you wanted to, you could actually set it. Oh, I think you could maybe do that if you would get what the name is. So example, if you put, like, this side would be coal, and this side would be diamond. If you would input diamond, and then put 10, it would spit out 10 diamonds. Then if you put 20 coal, then it would pop out 20 coal. So, yeah, that's probably possible. I would have to experiment with that a little bit myself. But anyway, that's the basics of this. It's pretty simple altogether. Like I said, I will not be paste binning this code, as it is very simple. But yeah, if you like this simple little tutorial, leave a like, subscribe, share, like, dislike, yeah, whatever. And yeah, leave a comment. I would love to hear your feedback, know how you like the episodes, if you like the format, maybe do them a little different. And I will see you next time. This is Heller, signing out.